Hey everybody, JD here once again with What Did You Buy Wednesday, number 11 for me. Didn't get a whole lot. My ex and I went to Hobby Lobby in Los Banos, which is about a half an hour from here. Got a couple of more detail brushes for helping me paint some of the parts of my snow speeder. I also, while I was there, picked up a new kit. Oops. I got the AMT 67 Mustang GT Fastback. I picked this up, and the first part, after seeing the front, I saw this side shot. And I think this is supposed to be a white car, but my brain screamed it's silver. And I'm a big fan of Adam Savage and the Mythbusters, and I watch his Tested channel, and there's been a number of times he's talked about there are things that tell you what they want to be. That told me it wanted to be silver, so I have to go find some silver paint. I think the color is called Frost Silver or Silver Frost that was available in 67. So I'm going to probably go to one of the paint manufacturers, Splash or Scale Finishes or whoever, and see if I can't get some of that shade of paint. I think it would look really good with the black stripes. I also got some Barbados Rex, some of his new paints that he's come out with recently. They're sold through Robot Kai, which is about an hour from me in Hayward. I really was wanted to check these colors out. I have this color, this real beautiful purple that's called Lithium Lilac, and this one is Glacial Blue Ice. It's a beautiful color. I don't think the bottles can even show how good the color looks. And then I got this one called Sea Foam Steel. He comes up with some great names for his paints, I know that. I've got a Copper Fire that I've used. And I love it because Robot Kai sent them all in this very cool little plastic box so they wouldn't get damaged. Other than that, I've been working on, as I mentioned, been working on my Gundam for my club group build. Tried to put this piece on. For some reason, I believe it's the left leg went together fine. The right leg, this piece would not go on no matter what I tried, and I pushed on it a little too hard, and I broke the side off right here. And I broke the mounting point for this, so I went in and I trimmed this peg, which goes into a poly cap. That seemed to be where the problem was. So hopefully I can get that finished. I got another kit coming. I ordered yesterday. I don't know how long it's going to take because of the whole tariff situation, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I said I wasn't going to join another group build, but here I am. This one doesn't end until the end of the year, and it's a curbside kit, so all I'm going to have to really do is paint it a little, so it won't be so bad. But that's all we have right now. I hope everybody has a great rest of the week, and we will talk to you next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.